Okay, next part. This drawing is done in the center here. A composite from two different photographs. This one here in Martin Gilbert's book, Never Again, A History of the Holocaust. I drew the Nazi soldier. 4 Jews in the town of Chelm, executed on 28th May 1942. Drew him here. I drew this woman standing in the center of these 5 people in the Warsaw Ghetto, who translated the Polish here. I have a Polish edition of this book, Warsaw Ghetto, 45th anniversary of the uprising. I drew the woman. They were about to be shot. 2 boys, 3 adult-looking women, age-wise, and I drew the woman in the center there, here. All right, to be continued. What more to do yet on the drawing? I may be drawing some allegorical sea monsters, as well as including some text on top addressing Facebook's removal of the photograph I had posted in response to having read about Congressman Mike Garcia's sickening, perverse, obscene, and anti-Semitic claim that American Democrats elected Nazis in the Third Reich, and equally obscene and disgusting. He's also contended that Capitol Police in Washington, D.C. are like the Gestapo, staggeringly ignorant and re-elected. It's like really appalling.